Hello everyone. Welcome back to the xCloud tutorials. When using xCloud, you can go live from staging quickly within a few clicks. Let us show you how it works. First, log in to your xCloud dashboard. From here, navigate to the Sites option. From your site list, click on the site that is in the staging environment. From the site dashboard, navigate to Domain and click on the Go Live button. Next, select the Go Live option on the right side. Enter your domain name. You may input an additional domain as well. Configure your DNS record according to your DNS provider. Then, under DNS Setup in xCloud, click on the Verify My DNS button. xCloud will verify your DNS record. You can then toggle to enable HTTPS to make your site secure. After the verification, click on the Save button from the top right. The domain update request will be sent for processing. Once it has been successfully processed, your staging site will go live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.